What's up my people, welcome back to my channel. Guys. For the new subscribers, welcome. For my returning subscribers, always thank you for coming back and always supporting me. Thank you guys. As I always do every day before I trade, I come to the market calendar and I check economical calendar news. So there was no any news that will affect my market. So after that, I come here to this website, CME website. There's something I normally call and put. It is like support and resistance. For this area, let me show you what I saw. At this region, I want you to see where I'm pointing my arrow. I want you to I want to show you where I was putting my arrow. That level there. Let me show you the level again. It was level 43.75. This region I'm pointing right here. 43.75. What did I see in that region? Region 43.75 on call. Call was greater than put. Which it indicates that there were sellers in that region. It is like a resistance zone. This region right here. We were at like, let me show you. Calls is like 84 and puts is like 13. So calls 84. It means like it is a resistance zone, and 13. So it's like 84 minus 13. You can see there is a huge difference. And again, I came to implied volatility on investing.com, and at that exactly the same region, there were a high implied volatility. The implied volatility was at 21.18%. Implied volatility was high in this region, guys. It was very high in this region. For at region 44.20, it is the same region near my spot, the spot which I showed you on my CME website. So if the implied volatility was high, it showed me that the market will come, break out and reverse. The market will break out and reverse. It will not be a green reversal. And that's what it is doing here. It is what the market it is doing right now. It has already broken out. So let me first put my stop loss and my break even. Sorry guys. So let me move to my stop loss and my take profit areas. We're still floating in a smaller loss, so I'll keep updating you. This is a setup that I've taken right now, guys. The red horizontal line, I'm looking to sell the market. I'm looking to sell gold for add to that fair value gap right there. There's a fair value gap right there where my where my take profit is. You can see I'm targeting a 1:2 point something. Yeah, 1:2 ratio, guys. I'm targeting that fair value gap. This fair value gap right here. There is fair value gap right here. That's what I'm targeting. You know, fair value gap sometimes they attract the market. I have already set my stop loss and my take profit orders. So I'll just be watching this market and see what will happen. I think New York has just started right now. Yeah. No, I think a few minutes after, yeah, like 30 minutes or 40 minutes after New York has started. Just wait and see what will happen, guys. I'll keep on updating you as we see this trade. It can either be a take profit or a stop loss. Let's wait and see. After a few minutes, look what is happening. We are 0.5% on our stop loss. I was risking $40 on this trade, and we are right halfway on our stop loss. We are halfway, $22 on a drawdown, and I'm risking like $40 on this trade. So $0.5 on our stop loss. the market, it as I told you when I was analyzing the market, we had a very high implied volatility. That implied volatility, it will normally break us out. It will break out no matter what you do. No matter there is a fair value gap, no matter what. It will break out and then reverse. And that's the same scenario happening right here. It has broken, and right now look what is happening. It has started to reverse, but we are still in drawdown, so I'll keep on updating you. You have to follow your rules, guys. For me, I knew the market will break out, so I put a good stop loss. I put a very good stop loss. Yeah, got to say that I was targeting that fair value gap, and under that fair value gap, there is an under block. I don't know if you can see right here, where I'm putting the red horizontal line. That's an order block, guys. There was an impulsive move to the upside. That's a very big impulsive move. So that's put it as a order block. Order block, guys, and this is on 1 hour time frame. So that really shows us that will be a very strong order block, and there is also a fair value gap. So if the market does not reverse on the fair value gap, it will come down a little bit and then reverse on the fair value gap. So gold, it is started to shift the trend from sells to buys. Yeah, gold, it has started shifting from sell to buys. So as I am speaking, we are still in a good profit. We came from the deep drawdown we are in. We are up $25 right now. We in a, when the loss showed you, we were floating $22 in the loss. Right now we are back. We are back, guys. Look what's floating, guys. $57. $57. But right now it is like 10 p.m. East African time. The volume, it is dying down, guys. The volume is dying down. So I love to close this trade manually. I love to close this trade manually because the volume, it is decreasing. Yeah, right now is not a good time to be trading gold on East Africa, on Kenya time, East African time. This is the setup. It was a good setup. As I told you, look my stop loss. It was a very good stop loss because I knew the market will break out and then reverse. And that's what exactly happened. But you'll have to close this trade manually because we are the time. Me, I normally trade time. Time is money. And if you are forex trader, you should know that you can't trade at every time you want. You only trade when there's good volatility in the market. Right now it is 10 p.m. East African time. There is no volatility. So if you are trading right now, you know it's like you are guesswork. The market will start consolidating. Consolidate. So this trade, I've closed it manually officially. I've closed it manually. I was targeting $100, but you can see the volume has died. The volume has started slowing down. So you only make $50. I mean $40, sorry guys. We only made $48 on this trade. Before I close it, it is went few pips and it came to $48. That's like 1%. I was targeting 2%, but on this trade we have only managed to make 1%. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. We are making progress. We are making progress. We are back again. We are back again to break even and a few pips in profit. We are back again, guys. We are back again. We win a drawdown. We are back again in profit. $11 in profit. So that's a good thing. Let's log into our Profam dashboard. Let's log in. Let's log in together, guys. Let's log in together. You can see right here. I believe that my instant account. You can see the account there, it is saying failed. That was an instant account. I'll never buy an instant account again. Instant accounts are very hard to trade. If you are starting in this Profam thing, the account is still active. This is a $5,000 account. 5K account challenge with Profam, with an XAUUSD Profam, with Profam XAUUSD. We are back. After We have taken 49 trades on this challenge. We have taken 49 trades on this challenge. And we have a 35% win rate. Our win rate is here. It has been increasing. It has been increasing slowly by slowly. I remember there was a time I had a 0% win rate, guys. This is not funny, but I had 0% win rate. That thing is mad. This is Forex. Forex not for the weak. So we are back again in break even at a small profit. We are back again in break even at a small profit. We need to make like 300 and something dollars for us to pass this challenge. $388.